I'm Anna, Digital Account Manager at Eminos, and today I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how to create a successful influencer marketing strategy. Tip 1. Do your research. Have a look at what potential influencers are currently posting. If they're hitting followers with lots of paid media posts, their engagement rate may not last. Look for influencers with content that keeps them interested and engaged. Tip number 2, consider the 3 R's of influence. Influence is made up of 3 key components: relevance, reach, and resonance. What do we mean by relevant? Well, what we're talking about is influencers who need to share content that match your business and industry goals. When it comes to reach, what we are concerned about is the number of people you could potentially reach by using an influencer marketing strategy. Lastly, resonance is the potential level of engagement the influencer can create with an audience relevant to your brand. A huge follower count is meaningless if the followers aren't interested in your offer. Niche influencers, on the other hand, can have very dedicated and engaged followers. So therefore, it's important not to be seduced by the quantity and really focus on the quality of the followers when you're selecting your influencers. Tip number 3, create long-term relationships with influencers you work with. Many marketers think that influencer-led campaigns are standalone projects. Let's think long-term instead. Explore ways to create strong, long-lasting relationships. Long-term influencer campaigns will also build trust within your target audience. So there you have it. I hope you found these tips useful, and see you soon for more videos. Let me know what you think about influencer marketing strategies in the comments below. Thanks for watching.